Hello and welcome to SystemGorilla.com. My name is Seb and today I want to give you a sparring. We're talking about an investment strategy for the 2030 scenario of internal combustion engines. You've heard it right, it's a production niche. This sparring is aimed at investors and technically literate listeners. So we're talking why, even in an age of electrification, ICE production and development might still hold a treasured value for investors and engineers. Despite surging growth in electric vehicles, the global internal combustion engine market is forecast to reach more than 350 million units by 2030. This is driven by demand not only in cars but especially heavy-duty industrial, construction and defense applications, as Grand View Research pointed out. That suggests there remains a large structural base for ICE demand beyond standard passenger cars. Key drivers here are a rising disposable income in emerging markets, the lack of EV infrastructure, and demand for ICE again in construction, mining, ships, or military and defense applications. For investors and specialized suppliers, this opens several opportunities: high performance or fuel efficient ICE production, ICE components for niche segments like off-road, heavy machinery, marine, and again defense, or retrofit and hybrid integration technologies, and even components for e-fuels and synthetic fuel-ready combustion engines. Given declining mainstream ICE volumes, companies focusing on these niche segments can often command higher margins per unit, benefiting from complexity, certification needs, and lower competition. In parallel, while electric drivetrain revenues are set to explode, global e-mobility powertrain revenues are projected to more than double by 2030. But that very growth can make EV components a high volume, low margin commodity space over time, at least once battery production, supply chain scaling, and competition intensify. Thus, there may well evolve a specialized premium ICE niche application market. Smaller in volume, but with potentially higher margins than mass market EV components, especially for suppliers and developers with deep technical know-how. So if you are an investor or technically savvy entrepreneur, it may be wise to look not only for the EV boom, but also at specialty ICE production and innovation, especially in markets or segments where ICE advantages remain and where EV infrastructure or sustainability is limited. Do you enjoy that sparring? You can get more info on systemgorilla.com. Have a good